Hello guys, in today's video we're replacing the battery in this iPhone 4S. So let's get started by unscrewing the two Pentalobe screws at the bottom of the phone. Then we're going to carefully remove the phone lid. After that we're going to unscrew the two screws holding the battery shield. When we are done with that, we're going to use a special tool to remove the battery shield. Make sure to remove the battery from the right side of the phone, because on the left side there's important antenna bands and stuff like that, and you might damage them. After that, you put back the small metal shield thing. After that, you just assemble the phone, and yeah, you put in the battery like that. Press it down to make sure it's secure, and install back the screws. After that, you're going to take the phone cover and put it back. Then push it with your thumbs. Install the two Pentalobe screws. And you are done with the repair. Thanks for watching.